In this Photoshop tutorial, I'll show you how to make a glow effect to text, objects, PNGs, images, or however. Let's start with the text first. What you have to do, select the text at the layers here in the bottom right corner. Now press on this icon and select outer glow. And let's see how can we play with the outer glow settings inside Photoshop. Well, you have a couple of ways how to play with it. Either you decrease the size here to maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, let's go with 4, and you increase the spread. Or also you can do the opposite, you can increase the size a tiny bit and now you can decrease the spread, so you'll create this nice effect. Maybe let's decrease it even more. Alright, so it looks like the text shines, but we can do it even better. Let's go again to this menu. Now let's select the inner glow from here. And also you can create inside the text an inner glow effect. Let's see how can we play with this. Let's increase the size. Okay, and this is the opacity. You will have to decrease it to something like that. You can do the same with the outer glow. If you don't like the opacity, you can decrease it from here, but it will look very worse. So I will leave it all the way to the maximum. Let's do the same with the object. Also, you can color the outer glow if that's what you're looking for. Again, select the object, the PNG or the image, and click on the outer glow. And this is the color. If you want to give the outer glow a color, press here and now choose the color which you want. I would like to have my outer glow the same color as my text, so I will click once on it and I just took that color. Now again, you have opacity all the way to the maximum, the spread, and the size. You can leave it to something like that, or either you can increase the size, and now let's decrease the spread. And now looks just awesome. Let's add also some inner glow, and you can do the same with the inner glow. You can take a color from somewhere, or you can tell Photoshop, hey, I would like purple, or maybe I would like green inside, or maybe I would like red, but I will leave the same blue color as the text. The opacity, usually I will lower it a tiny bit. This is the size. And the other settings, trust me, you will barely use them. So this is how to make an outer glow effect inside Adobe Photoshop. Thank you a lot for watching and I hope this Photoshop tutorial helped you out.